Today's episode of the Vegan Cooking Show with Bobby and Brent.
We're gonna show you how to make this vegan pad thai.
You can do that?
Yeah, bro.
Next.
No.
All right, Brent.
Yep.
What do we got going on today?
This is your recipe, so I feel like you should really set it up. I guess we're doing like a veggie pad thai.
Yeah.
Is the sitch?
Well, Brent, the other day we looked this up together and we kind of
Yes.
watched this Bert Hapley looking guy teach us how to make this recipe.
Yeah. The mouth movements were like very weird. They're like smiling but then down.
Plus, it adds protein to this vegetarian dish.
He was a great guy, though.
Yeah, very
nice. He taught us an awesome recipe.
We're making fun of him, but we are just totally stealing his recipe. So like,
it's okay, it's fine. But you know what? We're gonna show you how to do it in a fun way.
Yeah. Let's stop trying to be so funny all the time. Let's just be real.
Let's just be real.
Let's just be real and tell the people what they need to make it. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Vegetable stock, soy sauce, lime juice, sweet Thai chili sauce, brown sugar, chili garlic sauce, baby corn, tofu, minced ginger, minced garlic, scallions, carrots, red pepper, dry roasted peanuts, bean sprouts, and some Thai rice noodles.
So, Brent, we're big fans of pad thai.
Yes, we are, Bobby.
Right? So, you know, there's lots of ways to do it.
Okay.
We're gonna make the sauce ourselves.
Oh, wow.
What? I know, right?
Wow.
And the ingredients that you saw, we got our like sauce ingredients and
Okay.
our veggie ingredients. We're gonna use the sauce ingredients.
Okay, let's do our saucy ingredients.
So let's start with our soy sauce.
Just real quick, I want to mention that I brought my blend tech in today.
Ooh, Brent.
So I wanted to kick things up a notch. I'm still a little salty about our clam chowder episode where it didn't come out right. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed. I'm disappointed because I've made this at home and it's come out amazing. So I'm a little disappointed it didn't come out as good as it could have.
Yes.
And I'm totally blaming the blender for it. So I brought my blend tech in because I made it like a week later with my blend tech and it came out perfect. So I want to use that today. So, oh, there you are. I was like wondering what you were looking for.
I misplaced them.
It's all good. So
yes,
anyway,
we have our blend tech today.
so we're stepping it up a notch today. We're about to do some serious damage with this guy. So.
Boom. All right, we're gonna start making our sauce with 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next, we're gonna put in 3 tablespoons of lime juice. And here we got our little lime-shaped lime juice.
That's cute.
Isn't it cute? And now we're gonna use 1/3 cup of fish sauce.
Fish sauce, Bobby.
Right?
That ain't vegan, boy.
I know.
What you talking about?
So you can either get a vegetarian or vegan fish sauce.
If you can find it.
If you can find it.
We couldn't find it.
So what we did was actually put 1 part soy and 1 part lime juice in 1/3 cup. So we're gonna pour that in there.
Cool.
It pretty much does the same thing. All right, so we're gonna do 1/4 cup of this sweet Thai chili sauce. Next, we're gonna do 1/3 cup of vegetable stock, which is also vegetable broth, pretty much.
Yeah, nice.
Now we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, Brent. Okay, Brent, now we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of this chili garlic sauce. And we're gonna put this 1/2 pound of tofu right there in the blender.
Wow.
And we'll see if it blends.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, we're not even gonna break it up at all. We're just going for broke here. So is that everything?
That's everything, Brent.
Oh,
You
wow.
wanna blend it?
Yeah.
Do the honors?
Will it blend? That is the question.
Your blender, you're blending.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. All right, Brent.
Let's take a look, see if I need to scrape everything down. I don't know, but look at that. Look how smooth that is.
Let me see.
That's like solid.
And it's smelling pretty good. All right, Brent. Are you ready for step 2?
Yes. Thus.
And what is that step, Brent?
We're just gonna boil our rice noodles here
Whoa.
for the pad thai.
Yeah, GMO, gluten-free, vegan rice noodles.
Organic heirloom.
Organic
rice.
heirloom, not heirloom.
Heirloom.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
All right,
It's
let's
a set
pour
word
it in.
here. And we'll never know. So there we go. Boom.
Okay, so we're gonna pour that in and we're gonna stir for 5 minutes.
Yep. Give or take 5 to 10 minutes.
5
but
to 10 minutes.
This is boiling pretty vigorously, so I guess 5 minutes on that.
We'll let it sit until it's, you know, kind of soft and stringy.
Soft. And then we'll move on to step 3.
So, Brent, are you ready for step 3?
I guess so.
No, we're in step 3. This is our last step.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. Cool.
Right,
What do we got to do?
All right. So we're gonna basically be chopping up our veggies here.
Yep.
We're gonna be putting it in a wok.
Walk.
And we're gonna be putting some oil in our wok, and we're gonna be sautéing
All this junk. Cool.
all this
Sounds good. So let's
including some tofu. The other
some
half
tofu-dy.
of our tofu.
Cool.
Okay, so let's go through what we have here.
Yeesh.
We have 1 tablespoon of minced ginger.
Okay.
1 teaspoon of minced garlic.
Okay.
1 cup of sliced scallions.
All right.
1 cup of carrots, which we're going to cut up in a minute.
Okay.
1 red pepper, which we're also going to cut up.
Yep.
1 cup of dry roasted peanuts.
Okay.
And 2 cups of bean sprouts.
Alrighty.
All right, so let's start chopping up our carrots here.
Alrighty.
I don't know how you like your carrots to be chopped, Brent. But
you know, I'm not.
Peel your carrots?
I don't. I don't peel carrots.
I don't either.
I don't really get that. Usually I just give them like a nice scrub, you know?
That's what I just did, so.
Cool.
Nice and clean. Brent, how do you like your carrots topped?
My carrots topped?
Your carrots topped.
I like my carrots topped, you know, doing a prop comedy.
We have prepared our vegetables, Brent.
Appreciate it. Appreciate you.
Okay, Brent, now that our vegetables are all chopped up and ready to go, let's start adding some olive oil.
The evil olive oil that we use every week.
Yes, the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons, but we'll see about that. So we'll start putting that in the wok. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons.
All right, so I think our noodles are good.
Okay, so let's dump out the noodles and move on to step 3. Brent, I don't know about you, but I like to rinse my Thai noodles just to get some of that like
starchiness, yeah.
off. All right, Brent, we got our wok cooking.
Okay.
Let's get our veggies in the wok. So I think we should start with our minced garlic and ginger.
Okay.
So I know this is a little messy.
Yes.
But let's start. Let's just get it done. So I'm gonna grab the ginger and bring it over here.
Okay.
Kind of spread that over there. I'm a messy cooker, guys, if you haven't noticed. And now, Brent, I think we should start with our tofu.
Okay.
Because we'll let it kind of soak with the minced, you know, garlic and ginger.
Suck up that flavor.
Suck up that flavor. Smelling even better. Why did you become Mickey Mouse? That was a real voice crack.
Yeah.
It just stayed. It just never went back down.
That's
it was like, smelling really good. All right, Brent.
Yes.
We're ready to add the rest of our vegetables here, so let's just start bringing
I've been waiting my whole life for this.
Me too.
For
Since
this,
I was 1 year old.
For this very moment. It's all been building up to this, culminating to this one moment.
We're gonna add our bean sprouts.
For our truth.
First.
We're truth seekers.
Go ahead. All right, now we'll add the scallions.
All right, let's cover it up. Bobby.
Brent. What? Step 4.
To add the sauce.
All right, so let's go over here. And we have added our noodles, after rinsing them, back to our pot here.
Okay.
Whilst our vegetables are cooking, let's take Brent's Blend Tech with the pad Thai sauce. And we're gonna pour it in with the noodles.
Cool.
And then Brent's gonna stir them. We're gonna turn the burner on.
Okay.
To start, you know, warming it up so that when we combine them, we can kind of let the noodles reheat.
Cool.
And Brent's gonna stir that in. Look at that.
Saucy.
Very saucy. All right, Brent.
Ish.
Are you ready to mix together?
I've been waiting for this moment my whole life.
Me too. This has been a really crazy long wait. We're going to dump our vegetables in with the noodles and create our pad Thai. All right, Brent, we finished our pad Thai.
Yeah,
we have our little lime here.
Yeah, we got our garnish. Fancy little garnish, because we're fancy boys now. We're fancy boy chefs.
Yes. It's really good. Are you ready to try it?
I can't wait a second longer.
Me neither. I'm going to add a little bit of my lime to it, because that's how I like my pad Thai.
Yeah, I'll follow your lead here, and I'll also add a little lime.
I love squeezing that lime on before. And just in case, Brent, I've got our red crushed pepper and our taste of Thai to add a little bit of flavor if we need it. But we have to try it first. So here we go.
Let me think about this one. I think I'm gonna go B+ on it. This is definitely probably the best homemade pad Thai I've ever had, for sure. I feel like maybe we could have done less of the sauce, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's almost a little too saucy for pad Thai. For my liking. Flavor is really good. I'm glad we added a little crushed red pepper. That gave it the spice that I was looking for sure.
That was a good idea.
All the veggies and stuff were really nice. I might even add a little more of the sprinkled peanut on top.
Okay.
Personally.
Yeah.
So if there's anything for me, it was almost like the sauce was like too...
Like there were too many liquid ingredients in the sauce.
Yeah, maybe, because usually when I think pad thai, I think more of a drier noodle, you know what I mean? With like the sauce is more dry, if you will, whereas this is a little more creamy. But the flavor is really nice, and yeah, I'm digging it, so I'm gonna go B+ overall.
Okay. Yeah, I definitely agree with you. I think that the sauce may be a bit too much. I had the same problem with the last one I made, so compared to the one I had the other day, I'm gonna give this one an A.
Okay, cool.
Because the other one, that one I had the other day was a B.
Yeah.
And this is much better than that one.
Okay, yeah, so we're making improvements here. So
making improvements. The spice was a great idea.
Yeah.
The crushed red pepper. This is my type of spice right here.
Yeah, me too.
I definitely agree with the sauce though. It is nice when the noodles are kind of dry.
It's got more of that dryness. Yeah. Right. Okay, so. All right, cool.
Yeah, it's pretty good though.
This is really good, yeah, and it made a lot of food too, which is really nice.
Have it for the week.
Yeah, there's a bunch there. We're gonna feed the entire crew with this, so I'm feeling pretty good about it.
But it is a tough recipe, so you gotta make sure you get the portions right, because if you do get it right, you got food for the week.
Yep.
So
cool.
All right, Brent, we did it.
All right, that's another one in the bank, in the bag.
It was a long and winding road.
Yeah, I know. When did we start shooting this one? It feels like we've been doing this for like 3 hours.
11:30 or something.
So, all right, cool. I guess you're just gonna keep eating, so that's cool.
I'm hungry.
I'll wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching this episode of The Cooking Show About Me and Brent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out Patreon if you are so inclined. Aprons for sale, aprons for sale.
For sale.
And plus a bunch of other stuff if you don't want an apron, like mugs and hats and the whole, I got the hat on today.
Yeah, we got a lot of
I almost always have the hat on, so the whole shebang bang.
I've never seen you without the hat except one day. It was the one day I've ever seen.
Right, pretty much like whenever my hair is getting too long like it is right now, I'm wearing the hat, so. But anyway, people don't care about my hair situation.
Maybe next week I'll have a haircut. We'll
maybe, probably not, but maybe.
Probably not.
We'll see. So yeah, let's wrap. I'm hungry. Let's wrap this up.
Too,
I can't even muster up the energy to actually like wrap this episode up. So I've been Brent.
I've been Bobby.
Thanks for watching.
Now you know.